Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing my hair. So today I'm going to do another crochet hairstyle, but this time it's going to be like a short afro, and the hair that I'm going to be using is this Darling Vibration in color number 2, which looks like this, and I got it from Cosmetic Connection. I will link it in the description box below so you can check it out. So this hairstyle that I'm doing today, it's super simple. I already have my braid pattern, which is the African threading, and if you want to learn how to do African threading, I already have a fully detailed video which I will link up here so you guys can check it out if you want to learn. And for this hairstyle, you're going to need just two things: your hair and your crochet needle. So these are the only two things that I'm going to be using. And for this hairstyle, you only need one pack. I actually don't really use like a full pack when I do this kind of hairstyle with this hair. I normally use this hair for like 2 hairstyles. So I'm going to go ahead and cut half, and if I need more I will cut more. So I'm taking like one piece, stretch it out, and it looks like this, and then hold it in the middle here, and then I'm taking my hair scissors and I'm cutting it here like so, and then I'm going to cut it again into 4 pieces, equal pieces, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and separate the hair. So I want it to be afro but still looks a little bit curly. So out of one of these little things, I'm going to get about 4 or 5 pieces of hair. So I have enough hair right in front of me here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start crocheting. So I'm taking my latch hook, which is open. I'm gonna start with like the back line here so you guys can see. So I'm taking my latch hook and I'm gonna start right here in the corner, attach the hair, close the needle, pull the hair, and then on this loop I'm pulling through the ends of the hair, just like that. And if you want your hair to last longer, you might want to do like double knot or triple your knot. I'm not really planning on keeping this hair for long. I'm only planning on keeping it for about a week. I'm just gonna continue attaching the hair like so. So I am done with the back line, so I'm gonna go ahead and start attaching one line on each side until I get to the middle. So again, right here in the front, I'm putting in the large hook, hooking the hair, close the hook, pull it through, and then on this hair loop I'm pulling through the ends of the hair. So just a quick check-in, I'm like halfway, and this is how it's looking, and this is the back. So I'm left with like these 4 lines here, so I'm just gonna continue doing the same thing, 1 line, 1 line, 1 line, 1 line, and so far it's looking really good and full. So yeah, let's continue. So I am done installing the hair, and this is how the front looks. So I'm just combing it out so that I don't have like any gap spaces, just finger combing to blend it so that I don't have like these gap spaces in between. So I don't add any products on this hair, and prior to installing this I did add some oils last night on my hair because I did the African threading yesterday morning, and then last night I added like my Jamaican black castor oil, so that will be enough for the week so that my hair can stay like moisturized inside the afro. And this hairstyle took me about 40 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to enable the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.